Hello friends, Namaste. Welcome to Homemaking 101. Today in this video I am going to share with you how to make this creamy cheesecake without using any cream cheese. So I will be sharing a lighter version of this classic dessert which uses non-fat Greek yogurt, some paneer, that is Indian cheese, and the whole recipe uses just 3 tablespoons of added sugar. I have not used any butter in the crust, but I promise you that this cheesecake is equally delicious and creamy and does not lack in taste. So let's start with the crust first. I'll tell you how I lightened up the crust. So for this crust I'm taking 1.5 cups of crumbs of crackers. Any plain crackers will do. So what I did, I just put my crackers in the blender and pulsed few times until they turn into crumbs. And I'm taking 1.5 cups of these crumbs. After that I'm taking oil, 1 tablespoon of oil and 2 tablespoons of milk. You can take any milk. So you must have noticed that I'm not using any butter for the crust. So now what will I do? I'll just take milk and oil and pour into the crumbs and then mix well. If you are new to my channel, a warm welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe by pressing the red subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so as to get the notification when I do upload my new videos. I upload every Wednesday and sometimes I do upload twice a week. I would love you to be part of my growing YouTube family. So now my crust mixture is ready to bake. So when I was about to bake the crust, I found out that my springform pan is broken, and I thought that the silicone 9-inch cake pan is the best option to make cheesecake. So I'll just transfer the crumb mixture to the pan. So here I'm using the bottom of the steel glass to press firmly the crumb mixture. Remember, this crust has not much fat, so it can fall apart if not pressed nicely and firmly. So the cheesecake is my son's favorite summer dessert, especially mango cheesecake. That's the reason I'm doing a lightened version of this mango cheesecake. Do tell me in the comments below what is your favorite summer dessert. Do you love cheesecake, and which is your favorite flavor? So the cheesecake's crust is ready to go in the oven for about 6 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. And after 6 minutes, I'll take the crust out. It's nicely done, nicely baked, and I'll let it cool completely. And in the meantime, let's start with the filling. So for filling, I will be using non-fat Greek plain yogurt, and it is store-bought. You can make it at home also. So after this, I'm taking one big ripe mango and I have prepped it by peeling and chopping it into chunks. After it, I'm using fresh homemade paneer, that is Indian cheese, made from reduced fat milk. If you want to know how I made paneer, I already shared it in my 5 quick healthy vegetarian Indian breakfast video. I'll give the link in the description box in case you want to check it out. So the next ingredient is 3 tablespoons of unrefined sugar. You can take any sugar which you have on hand. After that I'm using vanilla extract, then some cornstarch, then some salt, and in the last I'm using raspberry fruit spread, which is sweetened only with fruit juice, and it's totally optional. So all the measurements of the ingredients are given in the description box below. So let's start with the filling. So in a blender jar, I'm adding all the ingredients except my yogurt, vanilla extract and fruit spread. If you like this video, be sure to give thumbs up and also leave a comment below, and also share it with your friends and family. So you must have noticed that I'm not putting yogurt in the blender because I have found that when I run the yogurt in the blender, it just turns very liquidy, which I don't want. And I'll run the mixture for around 20 seconds till it becomes creamy and smooth. Now in a separate bowl, I'm adding the Greek yogurt and also add vanilla extract and just whisk it a little so that the yogurt is smooth and the vanilla extract is blended well in the yogurt. Now after that, I'll add the contents of the blender into the yogurt bowl and just mix it well so that the filling is complete. So at this time, I will also preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. So now I will add my prepared filling into completely cooled crust, and just take care that the crust should be completely cooled before adding your filling in it. So did you see how easy this is to make, and also all the ingredients which went in there are so healthy. So now I'll just put the fruit spread here and there, and just with the help of a square just swirl it around to make a design, just random design, and the cheesecake is ready to go in the oven, and it should take around 30 to 35 minutes. My cheesecake took exactly 30 minutes. So you will come to know that it's done when it is firm to touch. Sometimes it can be a little bit jiggly, but that's okay. You can just take it out, and after cooling down it will set completely. And you need to refrigerate it for 6 to 8 hours before cutting it down. That is very important. I hope you have liked this video. Be sure to leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe for more such interesting videos. Till then, have a nice day.